hanggang gabi pa. Okay, let's start it.
Okay, aha!
Let's start it. Let's start. Remember, always now is Taylor Swift, You Belong With Me. Okay, let's start it. You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room, it is what night. I'm listening to the kind of music she's talking over. You know you don't like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's still captain and I'm on the bleachers. Think of a day and it is up mine. Waiting for the feeling time to see how the one around can keep you on so I can see me. You belong with me. Belong with me. In the street with this I can help you see this is only laughing on the park bench, thinking that it's easy. You got a smile that could be like until it like that. Like that. She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's still captain and I'm on the bleachers. Dreaming of a day when you wake up inside. Looking for a dream that feeling like a wonder time. It's all alone, so what can you see? You belong with me. Standing by and waiting at the door.
I'm like my darling. I'm gonna kill your face.
Let's try second. Silent food, no baby. Belong with me. You belong with me. Remember you down with us in the middle of the night. You laugh and you know your favorite song from Jimmy. Even though you think I know.
Itlog lang ah.
Oh.
Ito, abuso ka eh.
Give me all around so I can music. Belong with me.
Sinigang kaya ito siya?
With me.
Ano?
Big fun. Belong with me. But just with me. Belong with me.
Kayo dyan.
Si kuya.
Okay, dyan na muna. Muna.
Kala ko bumaba si Jura.
Thank you.
Kasi gusto kasi makita paano binugbog sila ano yan eh. Incredible eh.